Pat, 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 pat. Pat, 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 pat. Okay.
What you think you know?
Hey y'all, what's up? Okay, as you can see, I am fresh out the shower, and this video is basically going to be a video of how I do my morning body care. So like my face, my skin, whatever. All right, so I just hopped out the shower. Now this is a little backwards, but normally I will brush my teeth first, okay? But I ate breakfast or whatever, so hopped in the shower. Now that I'm out of the shower, this is what I spray all over my body. This is the Aloe Refreshing Body Mist. It rejuvenates and moisturizes skin. You can see. And it's sea salt and sage. And so what I do, pop the top off and I spray it all over me while I'm still wet. All over me. Okay? So, got this from my local pop shelf. They were going out of business, so I think I got them for like $1.25, but I think the regular price is probably like maybe $4. So anyway, okay, so yeah, let's get into me brushing my teeth. And I'm going to use the Colgate Triple Action. You know, whatever you use, you use. You know, this is just what works for me, okay? Got my Equate Mouthwash. Yeah, make sure y'all mix some water with y'all mouthwash. You ain't even got to use that much. Now that my teeth are brushed and my breath is fresh, let me properly introduce myself. Hey y'all, I'm Chanel XO. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the sweet life of leveling up your life, your beauty, fashion, style, and everything worthwhile, child. We already sprayed that on, so I then go in with my Equate Body Care Coco Divine Body Oil Gel. And I got this from my local Walmart. But for me, I like to put this on while my body is still moist. Okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Y'all, body care is so important. I don't care what you're doing. Always take care of your body. Okay? Like, it literally rejuvenates in real life. And you're going to feel so good. Like, how can you not feel good when you don't take care of your body? You know what I'm saying? Like, it just makes you feel fresh. Makes you feel like a new person. You know what I'm saying? Just new all over. Now, normally, you know, it's a little hard to do your own back, but it's okay. I'm going to get either my husband or my child to do that. I need to work on these elbows, y'all. I can't go into the summertime with these dark elbows. Like, I don't like that. I'm going to use my Palmer's Skin Success Anti-Dark Spot Fade Cream. I got this from my local Walmart as well. Yep. And normally, I would use this for my nose, but this time I'm gonna put it on these dark elbows, and I need to remind myself to do this every day. I really do. So now that we got that on, so into the facial, I'm going to use my Aloe facial cleansing foam that I got from Marshall's. This was $4.99. And it's almost gone, as you can see. Damp the face a little bit. So of course still use, you know, your regular soap and water when you are in the tub, shower, or whatever to wash your face. So I'm going to go in with my cleanser on top of this little brush thing. I think I got this brush from Five Below. Yep. Don't look like I got enough on here, but you want to make sure it is evenly distributed all across your face. Okay. And I go in a circular motion. Circular motion, honey. Circular motion. Get up under there too. Under your chin is still a part of your face. And I usually have my water lukewarm. I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. Rinse it off. Go on and rinse it off. Blot your face clean. Whew. I mean, you don't have to use the end of your towel. You can use your regular face towel. And if you didn't know, and I learned this from, well, let me clear this up. I didn't learn this from Instagram, but I seen it on Instagram. When you have designer bath towels and you have the lines to separate them, this part right here is for your face. This part right here is to clean your face, while the rest of this is for your body. So, just in case you didn't know, now you know. Alright, so the face is pretty much dry. And now that we've used our cleanser, we are going to go in with our Evelyn Laurent Vitamin C and ferulic acid brightening face cream. Face serum. So this is from Marshall's for $5.99. As you can see, all of these products are not expensive, y'all. You have to invest into your skincare routine. You can go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, whatever. It is not expensive, y'all. So yeah, and then we're gonna pat that into our face, all over our face and our neck. Pat it in. Do not rub it in. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, 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 pat. So now that our serum is patted in all over the face, I am now going to go in with my Clinical Works Face Cream Vitamin C. Brightens, hydrates, and rejuvenates. Instantly boosts hydration and leaves skin with a radiant glow. So this is going to be my moisturizer. Okay. It says after cleansing, apply cream to face and neck both morning and night. Use daily for healthy and soft skin. So this is going to be my moisturizer, y'all. I also got this from Marshall's for $4.99. This stuff is not expensive, y'all. So I'm still going to use this brush right here, but I'm going to use this end, and I'm just going to scoop some out and just put it. You don't want to use that much. A little goes a long way. Put it on your face and neck. See, I don't have much on my face. And I want to rub this in all over. Rub it in, rub it in. And once it's rubbed in, what I like to do is go in with my face roller and just continue to rub it in. But this time we're rolling it in. You know, I used to look at these things and be like, why do people use these? Even though, you know, they had these back in the day. But I just never understood why people were using them. Now, normally, this is an overnight eye cream. You put it on overnight, but I put it on day and night. And this is by OOTD. Has peptide in it, vitamin C, and collagen. It says an overnight intense nourishing eye cream firms, moisturizes, and smooths the appearance of fine lines. Okay. I also got this from Marshall. This was like $3.99, but I must have took the sticker off. And so I just put a little on my fingers, but see, looks like that. And I'm gonna go up under my eyes. Now, it's a little different for nighttime with me. I put the rest of it on top of my eyes, but at nighttime I do something a little different. But because this is the morning routine, you're gonna get the morning routine, okay? Now that we have that on, I'll go in with my homemade lip scrub with sugar, honey, and real lemon juice, okay? I'm going to use my lip one that I got from Dollar Tree. It has two sides to it. So the first side looks like this, small bristles, and the other side like has like bumps, little bumps in it. So go in with that and just put it on my lips in a circular motion, okay? So you can make this yourself. Now, if you want to buy some lip scrub, be my guest, okay? But remember, it already has other products in it. I'm going to let this sit on here for a minute. I normally let my lip scrub sit on for like 2 to 3 minutes. And while that is sitting on my lips, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with my Palmer's Fade Cream and put some on my nose, like right up in here. And just rub that in. Now that that is rubbed in, let's go ahead and go in with the deodorant, okay? So right now I am using the Degree. I got this from City Trends, but you can get it from Walmart, okay? Normally, as for me and my HS, because I do have HS, I don't know if you can see where I had surgery, but as you can tell, I still have like a big knot right up in here. Like it comes back on its own. But I would use deodorant that is aluminum free, zinc free. But this has aluminum something in it. I don't even know what that say. So yeah. I know it's been a minute that the lip scrub has been sitting on my lips. You can see it. Let's go ahead and wash it off. Okay. So pat lips dry. And at nighttime, I will go in with my nighttime lip balm, but instead, I'm going to use the Healing Ointment Cerave. And this does come in like a lip version too. I'm gonna put that on my lips. And y'all, we're pretty much all done here. We are all done. Do y'all see my skin? Do y'all see my skin? I hadn't even went on top with like sometimes I would still put Vaseline on, or I still may rub this in too. But I just want you to catch the glow right now before that. Can you see the glow? Lips. So yeah, the last step is optional, but I'm still gonna go in with just a little bit. So before I end this video, let me tell you the things that you're going to need for your face. Cleanser, toner, serum, eye cream, spot treatment, moisturizer, and what they say, sunscreen. I have to go get me some sunscreen. So for my cleanser, this is what I use. For my toner, I don't have any toner, so I have to go get me some toner and some sunscreen. So after your toner, you want to go in with your serum. After your serum, which I did it backwards, but after your serum, you want to go in with your eye cream. It doesn't have to be overnight, but if it is, it's okay. You can use it day and night. After your eye cream, spot treatment. Remember the spot treatment. After your spot treatment, your moisturizer. Okay? And after your moisturizer, your sunscreen. So as for me, I skipped 2 steps, which was the toner and the sunscreen. And I may go to the store later on today, and I may take y'all with me. I may end up going to Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of the two. But I'll be glad to take y'all with me, and we can go pick up some stuff together. But other than that, child, I gotta go. I gotta get dressed, and I will see y'all later. If you stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. You don't want to miss out on all the goodies that I be bringing to y'all, okay? The wig reviews, makeup, get ready with me's, thrift hauls, all that, okay? But yeah, remember to take care of your skin, moisturize daily, and love y'all. Bye.